This video demonstrates how to attach a Kensington security lock to the HID FARGO DTCii instant issuance card printer. The Kensington security lock is used to attach the printer to a desk or other immovable object. You can find the Kensington lock receiving slot at the back of the printer. Align the locking bar with the two lock pins, insert it into the slot and turn the key or lock, depending on type, to secure the locking bar. To see more technical videos, please visit our HID YouTube channel.